today for the Bitcoin and two altcoin prices. Guys, after seeing this title, you are probably thinking, Chris, are you completely going nuts right now? Well, wait for this, guys. Wait until I'm done with you. I will be talking about Bitcoin and two specific altcoins, about my trades here right now, and what I am looking out price-wise for Bitcoin and the altcoin section right now in the immediate short term. Guys, this is a very special one. It is Saturday right now, and within the next 2 days, something crazy is gonna go down. You wanna know what this is? I will be talking about that. I will be talking about price targets, about my current trades, about future trades, and everything what's going on in my mind. All you have to do right now, give me this feedback. Do you want more of these very short and condensed videos on the sidelines? Go down below and smash up the like button as you have never smashed it up before. This is a feedback function, and by smashing up the like button, leaving your thoughts down below and sharing this video among your friends, I get the feedback that you want more of these videos. And of course, I mean, if you're just going here to our last videos, we were absolutely crushing it. So please go down below, smash up the like button, press subscribe, press the bell, and press on all to make sure that I am getting your feedback. And now let's go straight into the content here, because guys, I have something crazy to share with you. First of all, I wanted to talk a little bit about Bitcoin, and I can already tell you the hourly is not like the most important thing to talk about. You can already see here after breaking down, if you were to plot this on the 15-minute, we are having here some flags breaking out to the downside, but I really want to focus here right now on the 4-hourly, and I want to focus on the daily. This is very, very important. And first of all, on the 4-hourly, you can see we were consolidating among support resistance, breaking out, hitting the price target, and now eventually breaking the support again. But we cannot see, is there any support coming in? Well, what if I told you, if we are zooming out, we can see if this dump is already over, and if not, where is the price target? More importantly, we can see what is the upwards price target we can look out for Bitcoin right now. I want to talk about all of this, but before I'm doing that, let me quickly talk about my trades, because this is what the people always want to know. I am having one Bitcoin trade and one Chainlink trade open right now. Yes, you heard me right. A Bitcoin trade and a Chainlink trade. This one being a very, very risky one, obviously. But my Bitcoin trade with 7.4 million US dollars, I am still in, and I will talk about why. This trade is still raking in 1 million US dollars in a profit. The Chainlink trade being like approximately plus minus zero, like 5,000 US dollars in a profit, right? So I will talk about that. Of course, I am giving you these updates here in a very time sensitive manner, also over on Twitter. I was posting all of that here on Twitter. The Bitcoin trade, the Chainlink trade, you can see it here. Just follow me over at MMCrypto over on Twitter with 410,000 followers completely here. Follow it and press the bell on that one to get these updates. And now let me go over here into the Bitcoin charts and tell you what I am looking out for, what price targets, what support areas, and what future trades for Bitcoin. Especially, I want to direct this content towards the question, are we going lower? And if so, what is the price target? Watch this video until the very end, and now let me go over here into it. And by the way, I am getting sometimes people to ask me, Chris, where can I trade? Should I open a trade? Well, this is completely on you. You should do it only as an experienced trader. But if you are, you will find in the pinned comment section down below the highest bonus you can ever find. In the pinned comment, 5,800 US dollars in free bonuses on my selected exchanges. This is the exchanges I am personally using myself. And I have put together these bonuses on Bybit alone, a $3,500 bonus. If you click the link, you put in your emails and your password. After your initial deposit, you get these bonuses for free. Do it as an experienced trader only, but if you are, claim it. You get a bonus, I get a bonus, and I think this is a very fair deal. Let's go over here now, right now, back into the Bitcoin content. And on the daily charts, something is getting very clear, because after breaking out, I was mentioning in the live stream yesterday, guys, we did not hit support yet, and I see furthermore downside. I was talking about this price level here actually to come into place to support the Bitcoin price. And you know what? Before I continue and I tell you my price targets, let me show you this little clip here from yesterday's live stream. Before we are reversing towards the upside, you know the deal. Nothing goes up in a straight line forever. And this is the same thing for Bitcoin. It goes much more up than down, but we still need these. How's it called? These consolidations, right? So what you can see here is, or like retracements or healthy corrections, shakeouts, right? So the Bitcoin price was going up, and now you can see that support is coming in at approximately 58,400, 59,000 US dollars. And this is not only here from this rising wedge, the previous resistance, which is now turning into... What you can see here is we actually went down, and if I am zooming in on this specific chart, you can see that we so far perfectly hit here the support of the upward sloping resistance support of the previous pattern. So as long as Bitcoin is not closing below, this was it. This was already the retracement. How we can know whether we might be here wrong and whether we might be going a little bit lower is the moment Bitcoin is actually closing a daily candle below the 59,800 US dollar price level. Once we are closing a daily candle below, I am looking out for the next support coming in at the horizontal, which would be already for me the last price target for Bitcoin between the 56,000 and the 58,000 US dollar price target. This is why I'm staying in my trade, because nothing is invalidated on the higher time frames. And if we are getting this volume supported bounce here, 74,000 US dollars is still my price. 72 to 74,000 US dollars is still my price target for Bitcoin. Remember that on the daily, Bitcoin is still above, like last week, we closed the highest weekly candle in Bitcoin history. On the weekly, this is historically extremely bullish every single time we did that. Here from 18,000 to 64,000. Right here from 10,000, from 1,000 US dollars to 20,000. And in 2013, we went from 160 US dollars and 10x to 1,400 almost. Look at this here from 18 US dollars in 2013 beginning all the way up to 160 US dollars, another 8-9x. Every single time we are closing a weekly candle above the previous highest weekly candle close, it's extremely bullish for Bitcoin. And this is why I am not changing my bias unless Bitcoin is not changing its bias here on the higher time frames. Remember that also I was quoting over on Elrond. I was quoting this specific breakout at 250 US dollars. Now we are at 270. Elrond going up while Bitcoin is going down. The MMCrypto community here racking in some significant profits. And of course also my chaining trade here based upon a very specific chart pattern. Let me quickly go over here. Right there you can see it. Their chaining was breaking out. I'm trading it on the daily, so I'm of course not getting wiped out here by a few volatility swings, and I am scaling this one here out when we are hitting 32, 33, 34 and 35 US dollars over on the chaining price. Make sure you are following me here if you want these updates in the immediate short term, if you want these up-to-date updates on Bitcoin and on altcoins. Of course you can trade Bitcoin and altcoins with the provided exchanges in the pinned comment, and you can use these free bonuses for those trades, and you can withdraw the profits from these trades as well. I just wanted to let you know, even though I'm bullish on Bitcoin on the daily and on the weekly, like almost more bullish than ever before, on the smaller time frames we can get furthermore retracements. This is something you have to keep in mind, and the most obvious it actually gets if I am going over here. And you can see that breaking the support leads to the next support here actually at 58,000 US dollars. Just keep this in mind. If you want to open an over leveraged long trade here, it might be not the moment for that. It is the weekend. With that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for smashing up the like button towards a new all-time high. And as always, guys, share this video among your friends, as this is the most rewarded feedback function from YouTube. If you are sharing this video on WhatsApp, on Telegram, on Twitter, this is what supports us the most. I can see the backlinks sometimes popping up on my feed, and also YouTube can track all of them. So please, guys, support me here on that mission. Thank you so much for that. And we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.